guys, it's Jacob from JWR Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your current PC by updating your Windows 10, changing your power mode, cleaning up your PC files, getting a faster boot time, increasing your page file, removing unwanted programs, and removing animations. That way you can get the smoothest experience on your current hardware. Alright, let's get straight into it. So the first tip is to update your Windows 10, that way everything is up to date and running well. To check for updates, you want to open the Windows menu by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and searching for Check for Updates. It will open the Windows Update menu and you want to click Check for Updates. It will do a quick scan to see if there's any updates that you might be missing. If there is, it will automatically install the update. It might prompt you to restart the PC, but you can do this at the end of the guide. Okay, so once you have updated your PC, it's time to change your power mode, that way your PC can use its hardware to its maximum potential. To change your power mode settings, you want to right click on the Windows icon at the bottom left of your desktop. Then you want to select Windows PowerShell Admin. You want to click Yes and copy and paste the text I left in the description. This will enable you to use the ultimate power mode in Windows. Next, you want to open up the Windows menu by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and then searching for Edit Power Plan Options. Once that is open, you want to go back by one to Power Options. Then you want to click Show Additional Plans and select Ultimate Performance. This will allow your PC to use its hardware to its maximum. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the temporary files from your PC, that way it can run faster and smoother. The first folder we need to clean up is the temp folder. You want to do this by opening up the Windows menu and searching up for Run. Once the Run window is up, you want to enter temp and this will open up the temp folder. Once your temp folder is open, you want to select all the files in there. Then you want to go ahead, right click and click delete. A window might pop up saying files in use. What you want to do is select the do this for all current items and click skip. Now we need to clean the prefetch folder. You want to do this by opening up the Windows menu and searching for Run. Once the Run window is open, you want to search for prefetch. Once the prefetch folder is open, you want to repeat the same process like with the temp folder. You want to select everything, right click and click delete. If the file in use menu comes up, you just want to click do this for all current items and click skip. We also need to clean up the second temp folder. You want to do this by opening up the Windows menu, searching for Run. Once the Run window is open, you want to type in %temp% and click enter. Once you have your temp folder open, you want to repeat the process of selecting everything, right clicking, then click delete. If the menu pops up with file in use, you want to click do this for all current items and click skip. Lastly, we have to run the disk cleanup tool that Windows provides. You want to do this by opening up the Windows menu using your Windows key and searching up for disk cleanup. When the disk cleanup tool opens, it will prompt you to select a drive that you want to clean. I recommend the C drive as this is the drive that Windows is installed on. Once the disk cleanup for C drive is open, you want to tick all the boxes to get rid of all the unnecessary files on your PC. Next, you need to click OK and this will delete all the files. Alright, now that all the temporary files are cleaned up, we can move on to reducing the boot time of the PC. What you want to do is go down and right click on your taskbar, select Task Manager. If you can't see all the different options, then you want to click View More Details. Next, you want to click on the Startup tab and disable any program on Startup that you don't need, like Steam, Discord, and any other program that is slowing down the boot time of your PC. The next step is to enable/increase the paging file on your PC. This will prevent some stutters that could be caused by the paging file being set on automatic. What you want to do is open up the Windows menu and search for View Advanced System Settings and open the window. Now that you have the System Properties window open, you want to click on Advanced and go again to Advanced. Then you should see an option saying Virtual Memory. You want to click on Change. Then you need to deselect Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Next, you need to select the drive that is the fastest in your PC at the moment. Then you want to select Custom Size. So if you have 16 GB of RAM, you need to put 12,000 megabytes. If you have 4 or less gigabytes of RAM, then I recommend you put 20,000 megabytes. And if you have 8 gigabytes, I would put something in between those two numbers. Then you have to click Apply, and if it tells you to restart the computer, you can restart at the end of this guide. Okay, now that you have your paging files set up, the next step is to uninstall programs you might not be using that are taking up the space on your PC. First of all, what you want to do is open the Windows menu. You can do this by clicking the Windows key on your keyboard. Then you want to search for Settings. After that, you want to select Apps. Once you're in the apps menu, you can click on any of the programs you are not using anymore and click uninstall. This will go ahead and uninstall the program from your PC. The next step is to disable animations in Windows which could slow down your PC. You want to do this by opening up the Windows menu with your Windows key on your keyboard and searching up for animations. Then you should see a thing saying show animations in Windows. Then a window should come up saying display. You want to scroll down till you see show animations in Windows. You want to go ahead and switch that off. Now that we have the basic animations turned off, we can go ahead and switch off the more advanced ones in the advanced settings. You want to do this by opening up the Windows menu with the Windows key on your keyboard and searching for View Advanced System Settings. Once you have the System Properties window up, you want to go ahead and go over to Advanced. Next, under Performance, you want to click Settings. For lower end PCs, I recommend the Adjust for Best Performance, but otherwise you can just copy what I have on screen or make your own selections. If you got to this part of the video, thank you for watching. Now your PC should be up to date and ready for games and other tasks. If you have any questions or comments for me, please leave it down in the comments below. Otherwise, please like and subscribe.